Imagine this. You could have a professional-looking website like this in under 5 minutes. No coding, no tech skills, just a few simple clicks. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use AI in Hostinger to generate a fully functional website with just one click. And the best part? I'll also show you how to easily customize your site to make it more professional, efficient, and fast. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a pro tip that experts use to make their websites more attractive and user-friendly. Let's get started step by step to see how it works in practice. But before we begin, make sure to watch the video until the end, because every step is important and connected to the next. Hostinger's features compared to other services. 1. Free domain. In some plans, Hostinger offers a free domain for the first year with certain plans, helping you save money when launching your website. 2. Affordable pricing. Compared to providers like Bluehost and SiteGround, Hostinger offers significantly lower prices, making it a great choice, especially for beginners. 3. Easy-to-use interface. Hostinger's H-panel is simpler and more user-friendly than cPanel, making it easy to navigate even for those with no prior experience. 4. High performance. Hostinger servers use Lightspeed cache and SSD storage, ensuring fast loading times. 5. AI website builder. You can create a website in minutes without any coding knowledge. 6. 24/7 customer support. Fast and responsive support, available via live chat, performs better than some competitors. 7. Free SSL certificates, security and encryption without extra cost. 8. Multi-website. Hosting. Advanced plans allow you to host multiple websites at no additional cost. 9. Daily backups. In some plans, extra protection for your data. Now that we've covered Hostinger's key features, let's look at the differences between its hosting plans so you can choose the best one for you. So, we are going to choose the right plan. I'll scroll down, and as you can see, I have 3 plans, each of which includes the AI website design feature. I'll choose the premium plan. No need to worry, as all plans include the AI website design feature. You can also get all these features, as you can see. I recommend checking them out later. Now, I'll click on Choose Plan. And then this window appears, as you can see. After that, if you sign up through the link, you'll get a 20% discount. If you choose a 48-month subscription, it will cost you $114. As you can see here, a 20% discount has been applied. If you choose 24 months, it will cost you $57. And if you choose a 12-month subscription, it will cost you only $28, which is great as a start. So, my friends, as you see, this is my website interface, the Hostinger site. First, I will click on Website List. I will click here, then I will click on Add Website. I won't choose WordPress because it requires some learning, as it has complex tools that take time to learn. We will talk later about how to create a site using it. Now, I will click on Hostinger Website Builder. As you see, this is the interface. Here we have the brand name, and here is the place for the description. So, I will enter our brand name. For example, I will write Strap Style. And I will add our description so that AI can generate a website for selling luxury watches. So now, we wait a little until AI creates our website. As you see, this is our website, a very nice and beautiful site. And here are the categories available on the site. This is the mobile version. Now, we will make some modifications to the website. I will click on Next, and then this interface will appear. I will click on Store Manager, then select Edit Website. After that, the website will be displayed for editing. Here are the product images, and here are the social media icons where you can add your own links. This is where customers can enter their email addresses. The first thing we will modify is the logo. Now, I will click on AI Tools and choose AI Logo Maker. As you can see, I will provide a prompt to the AI describing my logo idea, then click on Generate. Now, as you can see, I have 4 logo options. I will select this one, which represents the first letter of our brand name, and download it. Next, we will upload our logo. I will click here, then select Upload Files. I will click on it and resize it. Now, it looks good. All right, next, we will change the background. I will click here and then change the website background image. I will click on Upload File. I will choose the background image and wait while it uploads. Then I will click on Select. Now, this is how our background looks. Beautiful. Now, we will edit the products displayed on the homepage. I will click on Manage Store. I will choose the product we want to edit and click on it. I will delete the existing image and upload a new one. I will select this watch. Here, you can edit the product title, and here you can modify the description and text. I will change the price and set it to $50, for example. Here, you can add a discount and specify the quantity. Now I will return to the home page. So, as you can see, our product has changed, and the price has also been updated. If you change the title, and the description will change as well, everything is editable. You can also see that the quantity has been updated. You can apply these same steps to other products on the homepage. Additionally, you can modify the reviews by simply clicking on the text and editing it easily. Everything on the homepage can be customized according to your preferences. Now, for the next step, we will update the payment method by adding PayPal. To do this, we click on Manage Store and click on Add Payment Method. And then click on Connect. After that, we log in to our PayPal account by entering our email and clicking Next. Here, the site asks me to verify my phone number, and I will receive a code. I enter the code received on my phone. Then, two options will appear. I select the first option. As you can see, our site is now linked to PayPal. Next, we will add the Cash on Delivery payment option. In the first field, I will write Cash on Delivery. And in the second field, I will enter the instructions. The following step is to update our social media icons by adding the links to our social media accounts. After that, we will review how our site looks on mobile. And as you can see, this is how our site appears on mobile. The logo seems a bit large, so I will resize it. Now, it looks good, clean, professional, and visually appealing. Now, friends, we will update company details. If you have a company, you will need to update its details. I will click on Update Company Details. And as you can see, this interface appears. In the first field, you will enter the company name. For example, I will enter Strap Style as my company name. I will input my own email here. After that, you will enter your phone number in the appropriate box. Moving on, you will provide the company address, ensuring that you enter it correctly. Then, in the next field, you will need to enter the city name, followed by selecting the state or region. Once that is done, you will also need to enter the postal code in its respective field. After filling in all the details, simply click on the Save button. As you can see, the company details has been successfully updated. So, after editing the website you created with AI, you need to connect it to a domain name. And just like that, we easily created a professional website using AI on HostGator. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next video.